Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a paid API using FastAPI and Stripe in this full business guide for 2025. So step 1, install FastAPI and Stripe using the pip install FastAPI UVcorn Stripe. Once again, pip install FastAPI UVcorn Stripe. And step 2, set up your FastAPI endpoint. For example, /generate that returns some AI generated content or analysis. Step 3, integrate your Stripe checkout and create a webhook to verify payments before allowing access to the endpoint. Step 4, add token-based authentication so only paying users can install the API. Step 5, deploy your fast API backend to render, Railway, or Fly.io and start charging customers with Stripe billings. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.